In this lesson, we're going to look at solving a few problems that will involve either adding or subtracting unlike fractions. So there's an example here. It says a freight truck has 1/4 ton of computers, 1/3 ton of televisions, and 3/8 of a ton of small appliances. Find the total weight. So in this problem, I would be taking 1/4 plus 1/3 plus 3/8. Now, if I need to find a common denominator for all of those, I'm going to go over here and do it. I have 4, 3, and 8, and the a prime number that'll go into at least one of them is 2. Go in there 2, bring down the 3, it'll go in there 4. 2 will work again, 1, bring down the 3, 2. 2 will work again. Bring down the 1, bring down the 3, get a 1. Finally, divide by 3. If I multiply all of these, I will get 24, and that's my common denominator. Four goes into 24 6 times. 6 times 1 is 6. 3 goes in there 8 times. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 goes in there 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. So I'm going to add 6 and 8 for 14 and 9 for 23 24ths tons. All right, so a key in that was the word total. That's what told me to add. Then I thought about my rules for adding fractions, had to get a common denominator. And I don't think I'm going to do that next one there because I'm going to go over here and take a look at these. All right, problem number 1 says the perimeter, find the perimeter of the geometric figure. Recall that the perimeter means distance around. And don't worry, it's not drawn to scale. All right, so I'm going to add to find the perimeter. I've got 13/9 plus 9/7 plus 13/9 plus 9/7. I need something that they will all go into. So if I write it down like this, 13/9, 9/7, 13/9, 9/7, add them all up. Well, let's see, denominators are 9 and 7. So I can write these all as fractions with 63 as the denominator. 9 goes into 63 7 times, and 7 times 13, I believe, will give me 91. 7 goes in there 9 times. 9 times 9 is 81. 9 goes in there 7 times, and I'm repeating myself. That's a 91. 7 goes in there 9 times, and that's 81. I'm going to use my calculator to add those up. And that gives me 344 over 63, and this would be centimeters. It's okay to leave that as an improper fraction. It does not say anything about mixed numbers, and I don't believe 63 is going to go in there evenly, so I am good. There's no common factor. There's no reducing. I'm pretty sure there's no reducing. I guess I should check it just a little bit. No. And I know that 9 and 7 will both go into 63, and they will not go into 344. All right, number 2 is very much like that, so I'm going to skip it, and I'm going to go down to number 3, and you're going to hear your dog barking in the background. I'm sorry about that. I'm not in a studio. It says, given the following diagram, find L, its total length. Total usually indicates to add. So I have an unusual shape here, and we have that part of it is 3/8 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch, and 1/16 of an inch. And the common denominator for all of those, I believe, will be 16. They will all go into 16. 8 goes into 16 2 times. 2 times 3 is 6. 4 goes in there 4 times. 4 times 1 is 4. No change, so no change. That gives me 10 11/16. And this would be in inches. That would be the entire total. So you're just going to need to read the word problems and look for keys like total, perimeter. If it happened to say difference, it would imply for you to subtract. So hopefully you will have no difficulty with those word problems.